So standard 8. Hope that you have done the lesson number 5. Now I am starting with lesson number 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. I have written the name only factorization. So some of the formulae I will give you first. Formulae. X plus A, X plus B is equal to, if the first terms are same, then x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Suppose it is like this, x minus A into another bracket x minus B or x plus B. Then also formula is same, x square plus A is minus A plus B into x plus A is here minus A into B. This way only you have to write. So whether this is minus or plus, formula will remain the same. So this is formula number 1. Number 2, A plus B bracket square. This formula also we should know. A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the expansion formula. If this is like this, then from that I can take this. That is also this is the expansion and the factorization will be this. Now there is another formula. A plus B also first of all write. A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. If it is minus, here it will be minus and remaining will be same. So don't forget this. And these are the expansion formula in fact, but we if we know the expansion, from that I can factorize this. These are the factors of this. Another factorization formula, A cube plus B cube, that is important. A cube plus B cube. Now this is the expansion, this is the expansion, this is the expansion, but this is the factor. A plus B into another bracket A square. If it is plus here, I will write here minus AB plus B square. The fourth one, A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into another bracket A square. If it is minus here, I will write here plus AB and plus B square. In fact, these two are the factorization. These are the expansion formulae. But together we know all this. We should know all these formulae. So exercise 6.1 I will solve. Practice set 6.1 I will write exercise 6.1. In that question 1. Question is factorize. Question is factorize. In that, the first one, x square plus 9x plus 18. I have to find the factors. In this, what we do is, we find the factors of 18 such that their addition is plus 9. See once again, find the factors of 18 such that their addition is plus 9. This you should know it very well. Find the factors. I am writing for the beginning, I am writing it. Find the factors of 18 such that I go from here to here and from here to here. Find the factors of 18 such that their addition is plus 9. Such that their addition is plus 9. So if I take the factors of 18, 18 is equal to 9 into 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to how much? 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. But how much I want? 9. So this is not there. If I find 18 is equal to 6 also, 3 is also there. 6 3s are 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 9. So this is what I wanted. So this 6 and this is 3. These are the factors. This is called as x square plus, now instead of writing 9x, I will write 6x plus 3x. 6x plus 3x. That is nothing but 9 plus 18. So afterwards, make the two groups. What is common in this, that I will find. This is x square plus 6x. That is nothing but x square means x into x plus this is 6 into x. So I find that this x and this x is common. So this x is taken out of the bracket. This x and this x. So what is remaining? X is remaining. Plus what is remaining? 6 is remaining. So from this is x into x, this is 6 into x. So x is common. So if these are x into x means 2 times. 1 time we have taken out. So 1x will remain inside. Plus. Now this is 6 into x. Out of that x is taken. So 6 will remain. Plus. Now for this, what is common? X is only here. Here there is no x. So there is no question of taking x as common. So this is 3 into x plus this I can write as 3 into 6. So I find that 3 is common. So 3 I will take out. X is remaining plus this 3 is also taken. 6 is remaining. Plus 3 is taken and x plus 6. Always see that this bracket should be same. Here and here the bracket should be same. Then we are correct. Now again what is common? In bracket x plus 6 is here. X plus 6 is here. That means x plus 6 is common. Into another bracket, whatever remains that I will write in the another bracket. Here x remains and plus here 3 remains. These are the factors of x square plus 9x plus 18. On the same base, you can do the remaining sums. Hope that you have understood. Now I am taking the second one question. This topic is very essential till 10th standard. That's why we will deal in detail. Second is x square minus 10x plus 9. Now here it is 9. Find the factors of 9 such that their addition is minus 10. Go from here to here and here to here. Find the factors of 9 such that their addition is minus 10. Always do. So here I will change this. Find the factors of 9 such that their addition is minus 10. Okay. Addition I want, and that addition should be minus 10. So 9 factors 9 is equal to 3 into 3. If I want addition to be negative. If I take minus 3 and minus 3, that will become minus 6 and it won't do. Because that addition I want minus 10. So I will write 9 is equal to 9 into 1. So if I take minus 9 and minus 1, these both of them have the same signs. Minus 9 and minus 1 is minus 10. So this is what I wanted. That means if I want to do the addition and the sign should be negative, both the factors, these are the factors of 9. Both the factors should have the same sign, the middle sign. So this is equal to x square minus, these are the two factors, minus 9, it has x, so minus 9x, minus it is 1x and plus 9. Now what is next work? Next work is make the two groups. Then what is next work? Find what is common in this and in this. Here it is x into x. Here it is 9 into x. So x is common. It was x into x. X I had taken 1, x will remain. Minus. This x is taken. So what is remaining? Minus 9 will remain. Now here it is minus 1, that minus 1 I will take. Here it is also 9 into 1. 9 into 1. It is 1 into x. Sometimes this 1 into x is not written. Only x is written. That time also we should understand it. 1 is common. So if I take minus this 1 out, here this x will remain. And as minus is common, so this sign should change. It will be minus 9. And see the bracket, this bracket and this bracket is same. So that is equal to x minus 9, this bracket is common. And what is remaining? X minus 1. So these are the factors. This factorization is also called as factorize the following by splitting the middle term. Middle term was minus 10x. We have split it into minus 9x and minus 1x. Split means break. So this is also called as splitting the middle term. I will go for the third sum. Third sum is y square plus 24y plus 144. So find the factors of 144 such that their addition is 24. So here I will change this. Find the factors of 24 such that their addition is 24. Now 144 is nothing but 12 into 12. And 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So my work is over. Okay. In some of the books it is written like this. Here it is written 144. Its factors like this. 12, 12. This way. And here it is written 12 plus 12 equal to 24. This way also is written. That is just the way of convenience how to write. Whichever you find that this is better, you write that way. Now, I have got the factors 12 into 12. So this is equal to y square plus 12y plus this 12y. So that is we have splitted the middle term plus 144. That is equal to, this is y into y, this is 12 into y, so y is common. I have split and I have made the two groups. So here one y will remain plus y is taken 12 will remain plus this 144 is nothing but 12 into 12. So here 12 into 12. So 12 is common, 12. Y plus this was 12 into 12. So 12 is taken, so only 12 will remain. Now see that this bracket and this bracket is same. So that is equal to, what is common? Y plus 12 is common. And what is remaining? This y and this 12. So y plus 12. So somebody can write like this also. Y plus 12 into y plus 12 is nothing but y plus 12 bracket square. That way also you can write. Now I will take the fourth one. Instead of fourth, I will keep it for the letter 5. Fifth is p square minus 2p minus 35. In earlier sums it was plus here. So we were saying find the factors of this plus such that their addition. But here it is not addition, here it is subtraction. Find the factors of 35 such that their subtraction is minus 2. So factors of 35 such that their addition, instead of addition what I will write? Subtraction. Is how much I want? Minus 2. Okay. So 35 factors, 35 is equal to 7 into 5. Their subtraction 7 minus 5. But 7 minus 5 is plus 2. What I want? I want minus 2. So I will this bigger number I will give the minus sign and the smaller number I will give the plus sign, and then see that minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2, bigger number sign. So my work is over. So this is equal to p square minus 7p plus 5p and minus 35. See this, minus 7 plus 5, minus 7 plus 5, but it is p, that's why p. This is the splitting of the middle term. Now two groups. Somebody can write this 5p first and 7p afterwards, no problem. No, what is common? This is p into p, this is 7 into p, so p is common. Here p remains. Minus this p taken, 7 remains. Now plus 5 is taken. Because this is 35 is 7 into 5. So 5 is common. P. This is minus. 5 7s are 35. Taking common means say the table. Now this is common. That is equal to p minus 7 is common. And into another bracket, these two remains p plus 5. Hope that you have understood this. I am rubbing this. The fifth, now the sixth sum, p square minus 7p minus 44. So find the factors of 44 such that their subtraction is minus 7 from this side here, and then from here to here, that way you should. So find the factors of 44 such that their subtraction is minus 7. In the examination you need not write this all. No, not needed. Then why I am writing? To have a practice for you. When you are solving, whatever I am writing, you have to go on saying again and again, and this will be by heart to you. So 44 factors are 11 into 4. See their subtraction. Subtraction is 7. Which 7 I want? Negative 7. So this I will write minus 11 plus 4, and that is equal to minus 7. My work is over. So this is equal to p square minus 11p plus 4p minus 44. Make the two groups. Here p is common. Now you are well known with this. P is common. So p will remain minus 11. Here plus 4 it is there. So this, because this is 11 into 4. So 4 I can take common. So p remains minus 4. 11 are 44. Now this is common. That is equal to p minus 11 into another bracket p plus 4, and these are the factors. Now I am not going to write all these things. I will just go on. I will increase the speed and complete the exercise. 8 7 sum m square minus 23m plus 120. Find the factors of 120 such that their addition is minus 23. Addition means same signs I have to give. So 120 factors I want to find. 120 is nothing but 2 into 60. 2 into 60 is how much? 62. No use. 2 into, this is 2 into 30. Now this will be 4. 30 plus 4 is 34. No. So that is equal to 2 into 2 into, this is 2 15s. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, this 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 is 23. So here my factors are 1. So this is equal to 8 into 15. This 120 is equal to. Why? Here my addition is coming to be 23. But that addition I want negative. So I will write minus 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 23. Here my addition is over. I have gone on splitting, means finding the factors. If I would not have got here, again I would have done this as 3 into 5. And then only 2 factors I want. Not all these factors. I want only 2 factors. So out of this 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 into 15, these are the 2 factors. 2 factors I have taken. So that is equal to m square minus 8m minus 15m plus 120. So that is equal to groups. M is common, m minus 8. Minus 15 is common. Why? This 120 is nothing but 8 into 15. Out of that, this 15 is taken. Here remains m. Now minus is taken, so this plus sign will turn to be minus. Now this is 8 into 15. Out of that, 15 is taken out. So 8 will remain here. So from here itself I can find the factors. Now this is common. So that is equal to m minus 8, this bracket and this bracket is same. That means we are correct. M minus 15. These are the factors of this. Now the 8th one. 8 is m square minus 25m plus 100. So what I will say, find the factors of 100 such that their addition is 25. Addition I have to do. Addition means 2 factors and both of their sign will be same. So this 100 means what? So I can write 20 into 5. That is 100. Addition will be minus 25. So minus 20 and minus 5 is equal to minus 25. So this is over. So this is equal to m square minus 20m minus 5m. This is minus 25 plus 100. Now make the two groups. This is m into m, this is 20 into m. So m is there. So m into m, 1 m is taken out, 1 m will remain. Minus this m is taken out, 20 will remain. Minus this is 20 into 5. So 5 is common. 5 taken, here m remains. Minus sign taken, so this plus will go to be minus. And this 100 is nothing but 20 into 5. So 20 will remain because 5 is taken out. Now see that these two brackets are same. So that is equal to m minus 20 into another bracket m minus 5. These are the factors. Hope that you have understood this. This is a very important exercise. That's why I am taking most of the sums out of this. Now, fourth is different that now I am taking. Fourth sum. 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Now we were saying find the factors of 10 such that their subtraction is 5. This way we were talking. But now in that case here there was no other number, here was only 1, means like y square. But now the number had changed. So this is 50. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. This number is there. So I will say find the factors of 50 such that their subtraction is 5. 50 is equal to 10 into 5. These are only the factors. I want subtraction. Subtraction means one number would have plus sign, other number would have minus sign. So I want plus 5. So this will be plus 10 and this minus 5 is equal to plus 5. This I wanted. So these two factors of 50. First of all, these two I have multiplied and it has become 50. Now I am finding the factors of 50 such that their subtraction is plus 5. So 50 factors 10, 5 plus 10 minus 5, it will be plus 5. So this is equal to 5y square, this plus 10y, then this minus 5y and minus 10. Last number I have to write. See this once again, plus 10 minus 5 is equal to plus 5. So I will make the factors of this. First of all, the groups. This is 5 into y into y. This term is 5 into y into y. And this term is plus, this term is 5 into 2 into y. This term. See what is common. This 5 is common. This y is also common. So what I will take? 5y I will take. If I am taking 5y, what is remaining? Y will remain. So here y will remain. Plus. Now from this 5 is also common and this y is also common. So 5y is taken. So what is remaining? 2 will remain. Now here what is common? Minus 5 is common. Because this 5 to the 10. So here remains y. Minus is taken out. So this sign will change to be plus. 5 to the 10. See the brackets are same. So this is equal to y plus 2 into another bracket 5y minus 5. So here I can see here that 5 again it is common, 5 into y and 5 into 1. So this is what? Y plus 2. Here I can take 5 as common, 5. If 5 is taken here, y will remain. Now this is 5 into 1. Out of that 5 is taken, so minus 1 will remain. And this 5 I will write here. This whole I will write here 5 y minus 1 and y plus 2. These are the factors. Hope that you have understood this. There should be no problem to understand this. That was the fourth one. Fourth one is over. Make a full practice of this exercise. This is very essential exercise. In 8th, in 9th, in 10th, all the three standards it is used, and for 12th standard also it is used in one lesson. So 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Now here also, let me check the question. 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Here also, it is not 1 here. So I will first of all multiply these two. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. And now I will say find the factors of 45 such that their addition is plus 14. So 45 factors, 45 is equal to 9 into 5. Why? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. I want the addition to be plus. So plus 9 plus 5 is equal to plus 14. And that's my work. That is what I wanted. So this is equal to 3x square plus this is 9x plus this is 5x. 9x plus 5x is 14x plus 15. Make the two groups. That is equal to, this is 3 into x into x. This is 3 into 3 into x. This is 3 into 3 into x. So 3 common. X here is also there and here is also there. X is also common. So 3 is taken out. From this x into x, x is taken out. So x will remain. Plus this x is taken, no question of this. This 3 into 3, 1 3 is taken, so 1 3 will remain inside. Plus now this is 5 into 3, so 5 is taken, here x will remain, plus this is 5 into 3, 5 is taken, so 3 will remain. And see that the brackets are same. If the brackets are same, we are correct. Now x plus 3 is common, this common. So what is remaining? 3x plus 5 is remaining. Hope that you have understood this. So the 10th one also I am going to take. 10th one, 2x square plus x minus 45. This 45 to the 90. Find the factors of 90 such that the subtraction is plus 1. So 90 is equal to 10 into 9. 10 9 the 90. See their subtraction, it is coming. Here it is 1. 1 is written here. Isn't it? It is there. So 10 minus 9 is equal to plus 1 because I want plus 1. So this is my work. So this is equal to 2x square plus this is 10x minus 9x and minus 45. This is equal to, this is x into x, this is x. This is 2. This is 2 into 5. So 2 is also common and x is also common. 2 taken out. What? This is x into x, x taken out, x remains, plus x is taken out. This is 5 into 2. 2 is taken, so 5 remains. Minus 9 is common because this is 9 into 5. So x remains, minus taken, so plus it will become, and this is 9 into 5. 9 taken means 5 remains. So that is equal to x plus 5. See the brackets are same. Into another bracket 2x minus 9. And these are the factors of this. So now Another two questions we will do. 11th question. 11th question is 20x square minus 26x plus 8. I will find the factors of 20 into 8. 20 into 8 is 20 into 8 is equal to 8 to the 16 and 160. Find the factors of 160 such that their addition is minus 26. Means I have to find the factors and I should add them. When I add, if both the numbers have the same sign, I want 26 negative. So I will write this at this 160 is equal to 2 into 80. 2 plus 80 will be 82. No, of no use. So this is 2 into 40. This is 2 into 2 means 4. 40 plus 4 is 44. I want 26. No use. 2 into 2 into this is 2 into 20. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 20 plus 8 will be 28 of no use. 2 into 2 into 2 into this is 2 into 10. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 this is 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. So I will write the final answer like this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 into this 10. And now 10 plus 16, 26. But I want this negative. So minus 16, minus 10, both have the same signs. So we add them, it becomes 26 and give that same sign minus 26. So this way, now 20x square minus 16x minus 10x and this last is plus 8. This is equal to see the table for them which is common. 4 5 are 20, 4 4 are 16. That means 4 is common. Another this is x into x, this is x, so x is common. Now taking common means say the table of 4. So this 4, 4 5 are 20 because 20 is nothing but 4 into 5. X into x taken, x remains minus. 4 4 is 16, x is already taken out, minus. Now by what I can divide? By 2 I can divide this, by 2 I can divide this. That means 2 is common. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. X remains. Minus is taken, so this sign will become minus. 2 4s are 8. See, these two brackets are same. If the brackets are coming same, then we are correct. Otherwise, we are wrong somewhere. So take this 5x minus 4 into one bracket and 4x minus 2 into another bracket. So hope that you have understood this. So I will drop this and take the last sum of this exercise, and here I will complete this exercise 6.1. So number 12. 12th question is 44x square minus x minus 3. Again I have to say that 44 into 3 I have to find the factors. So 44 into 3 is equal to 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 113. 132 I have to judge the factors. 132. I will start with the smaller factor 2. 2 into how much? 2 6 are 12, remains 1, 2, 66 to the 132. Another 2 into. Now this is also divisible by 2, so 2 into 33. If I subtract them, I won't get here 1 I won't get 1. So I will go ahead. 2 into 2 into. This is 3 into 11. 11 3 is 33. Now there are no further factors. I will check here. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 into 11. 12 into 11. Subtraction I want to do. How much it should be? Minus 1. Subtraction. See that? I have to subtract this and I want subtraction minus 1. So this 12 I will write minus and this 11 I will write plus, and that is equal to minus 1. Over. That is equal to, now 44x square minus 12x plus 11x and last number minus 3. So these are the two groups. That is equal to, by what I can divide this? By 4 I can divide this also, and 4 3s are 12. X is also there, x is also there. Now I will 4 1s are, because this is 11 into 4. Means say the table of it. X is taken, x is remaining over here, minus. Now x is taken, nothing will remain. Now this is 4 into 3. 4 is taken, so 3 will remain. Now plus. In this, what is common? Here it is 11x and here it is minus 3. Nothing is common. So this I can write as 11 into 1 and 3 into 1. So 1 here is also there and 1 here is also there. If nothing is common, 1 is always common. So what is remaining? 11x. What is remaining? Minus 3. See the brackets? Yes, brackets are same. So that is equal to 11x minus 3 into another bracket 4x plus 1, and here completes our lesson. So this will take you to do 2 days, but complete it very honestly. Don't forget it, because otherwise this, see, it is now 10:15 in the evening night and I am working for you, so you should work for me.